If you've ever found yourself juggling between Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar, constantly switching tabs just to manage your meetings, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to easily integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar in just a few minutes, so you can schedule and join meetings seamlessly without hopping between apps. Let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com in your preferred web browser. Once it's opened, take a moment to look at the right side panel. You'll see a small plus icon. This is where you can get add-ons. Click on that icon and it'll take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace's search bar, type Microsoft Teams Meetings and press enter. You should see the official Microsoft Teams add-on appear in the results. Click on it, then hit install. The installation process usually takes only a few seconds, but make sure to follow any on-screen prompts so it connects properly. Once the add-on is installed, you'll notice a new Teams icon appear on the side panel of your Google Calendar. Click on it, and you'll be asked to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account, though if you're part of an organization, chances are you already have access. After signing in, the integration will automatically activate. Now you can schedule or join Microsoft Teams meetings directly from your Google Calendar without switching platforms. When you create a new event, you'll see an option to add a Microsoft Teams meeting link instantly. It's that simple. This integration is a huge time saver, especially if you collaborate with teams or clients who use different systems. Everything stays synced, organized, and just one click away. And that's it. You've successfully connected Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. Now you can manage all your meetings in one place and enjoy a smoother, more efficient workflow. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.